What's going on, guys? I'm Chrissy Whispers, and tonight I'm going to talk about two simple methods you could do to grow your collection for absolutely free. Now, of course, this does involve spending money, but as a collector, that's something that you're going to do anyway. And that leads me to the first method. When you're buying cards for your collection, cards that you think are cool, cards that you think are cheap, cards that you think are worth picking up, there's a very good chance that somewhere down the line, somebody else is going to have that same thought. So, with this information, what I do is when I go to buy a card that I want, I will simply just buy a second or a third. For example, not trying to brag, it's just a coincidence that this has just happened. About a month ago, I purchased a Persian. Actually, I purchased two Persians. I paid like $27 a card for each of them for like a total of 55 bucks. This card over the past 30 days has decided it's going to triple in value. Now I can take one of these cards, I can sell it for $75, keep the first card for completely free, and still have a couple of bucks technically to possibly buy another card. This is one of the simplest methods to grow your collection for free. You just buy multiples, hold on to them, and sell them later. One of my favorite things to do is buy cards and forget about them because just with the way the hobby has been over the past couple of years, cards just suddenly spike up in price. And when you have a couple of those cards already in your possession, it feels really good to be able to sell some of those cards, grow your collection for completely free, and again, possibly have some money to buy more cards with. The reason I created this channel was because I wanted to document ways in which I was able to make money selling Pokemon cards. And one of the easiest things to do is to just buy and sell multiples, copies of multiples. The second method, very similar to the first method, is instead of buying singles, admittedly, this is not as easy as it used to be, go on eBay and buy some collections. Buying a collection off of eBay is absolutely, undoubtedly, the easiest way to get cards for free. If you're okay with doing a little bit of legwork and selling off the cards that you don't want, you can actually just get free cards. You know, you spend $300 on a collection, you could pick a card or two out of that collection and just keep them, sell the rest. Even if you just break even dollar wise, you got two free cards to add to your collection and your collection grows. And as you hold on to your collection and as your collection builds in quantity of cards, by default, it's most likely going to multiply and grow in matters of dollars as well because like I said with the first method, cards just tend to go up sometimes. It's just the way the hobby is. People buy, people FOMO, people will buy out or manipulate with a group of friends, whatever it is that causes these cards to just randomly go up. Sometimes it's a graded play. It doesn't matter why it goes up. Like I said, it feels really good to have multiple copies of a card that just decided to spike. Imagine having like five copies of the Jesse and James card. That card is doing crazy things as well. I was going to buy that card and I didn't. And I didn't because I'm an idiot. And now I won't because I don't like buying cards that have just recently doubled or tripled in price. I don't like to spend a lot of money at all, to be honest with you. Like, I spend on stupid stuff, but when it comes to building my own collection, I hate to spend money. And again, that's why I started this channel because I wanted to show ways that you could grow your collection and get free stuff basically through participating in the hobby. You know, investing in sealed product, flipping collections. These are all ways to make your money go further in this hobby. There are a lot of new people in this hobby over the past couple of months because of all the hype and the FOMO going on. I don't think it hurts to let people know that there are ways to grow your collection at an affordable, reasonable rate. If you're willing to do some work, these are some of the best ways. These are probably the two best ways, other than like going to a card show and just stealing from a vendor. Like, these are the best ways to legitimately get cards for free. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. This was just a quick short one, and if you're a reseller, you already knew all of this stuff. I'm sorry for wasting your time, but there are a lot of new people in the hobby, and I thought that this would be a good video to just let people know that these things and these ideas or strategies, whatever you want to call them, they are out there. There are ways to grow on somebody else's dime. So do a little legwork, buy collections, buy multiple copies, and sell the cards after they've risen. It's okay to hold on to a card, especially in this market. Cards are just doing crazy things. Don't be afraid to maybe hold on to a card that you think is too cheap. I just recently sold, well, not recently, but like a couple months ago, I sold like 16 each of the Mew 151 UPC promos. I sold the Mew, not the EX, the one with the Mew flying over the city. I sold like 17 of those cards for like $12.99. It burns me to see the price of that card because I had so many of them. That card alone could have paid for the whole collection. I could have kept all of the cards for free. So don't be. I did keep one of each. Again, I like to collect for free, but you know, just a quick little video for you guys. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope this helps you grow your collection for free. For free. This is all for free. You could get free cards, guys. So thanks for stopping by. If you like the channel, leave a comment, subscribe, leave a like, whatever it is you feel like you want to do. I appreciate it all. Thanks for stopping by, and I'll see you guys in the next one. I'm out.